Hello all, I welcome you all to Lotus Spirituality. Today I have come with another pickup file. It's all about what does your spirit wants to guide you. Okay, I have kept here three piles. This is pile number one, ring. Okay, and this is pile number two, heart, and pile number three, this beautiful gift. Okay. You can quickly decide whichever pile attracts you the most. You select that pile. Select pile intuitively because this is most intuitive video. It's all about what the spirit wants to guide you. What messages are there that spirits wants to tell you. Okay, we shall see in this video. You can do 2 to 3 quick meditation and decide whichever pile you want and whichever is most attracting to you. You can select any one of them. Hare Krishna. We shall start our reading with the pile number 1, ring. Who has chosen this beautiful ring? We shall see what are those messages which spirits wants to tell you. Okay, this handmade triangular messages in the later point of time. I have shuffled the cards from three different decks. This is Rider Waite tarot deck. First one is Page of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Temperance, and the bottom of the deck was Devil. Okay, and with the Nostradamus tarot deck there is Eight of Sun, Eight of Spears, Five of Moon, and the Sun. Major Arcana. There are three major arcanas in a single reading. And with the Sai Baba Oracle decks, Sachai Ka Samna and Karmon Ki Shuddhi. Okay. One who has chosen this beautiful ring. First, I will tell you whoever has selected this pino are going through a beautiful energy, are going through a new energy, new kind of stuff that you are very creative in nature. You are doing some creative work in your life at present. As it is this time, you are trying a new things. Okay, and you are practicing that. You are with the patience, you are planning, you're thinking what and how to do it and how to accomplish it. And with you're having a great omen cards, you're having a good luck with you, you will complete it very successfully. And also there is Page of Cups. You are getting a new offers, or yeah, if you are waiting for some people, I can see here some of them were waiting for their love life since years or since months, and they are getting a new offer this time. Or you are going to offer your cup, you are going to propose someone for something, and you're getting that. You're very lucky in this time. But there is the Devil card. Some kind of negative energy is going through. You're going to some of the negative energies at present, and you will get back to a positive energy by the card, the sun. Your major arcana, the sun is there. By this card I can tell you that you will come out of this devil energy right now, but you are in this devil energy. You are feeling some of stuck energy right now, but still, or some people may be addicted to something, some of the addiction. You are there in some addiction, or you think that someone else are going are controlling you, someone else are controlling your life, or you think that you and your partner both are being stuck, or someone else is being dominating you, both people. You are thinking like this for some people, and some group of people I can see that you are still yeah, single. Going to get appreciation and completion for your work, and you are going through a rapid development. If you are in agriculture field, then you will get a good results for your crops. Okay, and if you are students, you are going to get scholarships, And now you are very practical in nature, you are thinking logically. I can see that you were suffering through some losses, or you were feeling deceit, someone has cheated you, you were feeling like that. And you have some purpose in life, you know what to do, you want to make something, or you want to do something in your career, and start a new beginning of your life. And you're planning very calmly, very patiently, you're taking decisions, and you're searching for new opportunities, and you're going to get new opportunities as well. With the card Nine of Pentacles, I can see you that you are a beautiful, charming person. You are a friendly person, and you are also going to do great in your career life. And as there is the Sun and Star card is there, I can tell that you are having a good relationship in further. If you are single, you are getting mingle and. This is the good card. Good cards is the great. You're with this also. I can tell you that it's a good omen. It's a pile of engagement, marriage, something like that. Going to be engaged with your loved ones, like that. And we shall see the Sai Baba is also telling you that Sachai ka samna. That means what your spirit is guiding to you, that don't go behind the success, go behind intelligence, okay? And whatever you think is good, yeah, it is good, it is a good opportunity, I'll go for it, I will run, I will rush for it. No, sit calmly, patiently, and see whether it is good for you or not, whether it is suitable for you, whether it is a suitable job for you or not. Sit calmly and think patiently. And for some people, I can see you that someone will cheat you in some or other thing by showing you the golden deed, like that. But okay, I was giving just an example, but it will not be like that in reality. Someone may cheat you like this. Okay, don't get cheated, think properly. Spirit is guiding you that think properly, don't rush for the opportunities which attracts you the most. For example, you can be rich in 10 days, and someone offers you like this offers. Don't believe it and run. Sit calmly and think patiently whether it is true in real life. No, then the same message spirit wants to give you, that don't rush, sit calmly and think. Do whatever is right, and know the difference between right and wrong, okay? And know the difference between truth and false also. Don't get cheated, don't rush, sit calmly and think. You are going to get opportunities, you are going to get good opportunities, and you're going to get good love in your life. Sit calmly and think whether it is good for you or not, then decide. And I can see you with the Sun card, you're going to get a good offers itself. And though you're getting good offers, you should sit and think patiently, okay? Spirit is telling you, not me. Karmon ki shakti, see, karmon ki shuddhi. See, your spirit is telling that whatever you do, the sins, the proper sins, whatever you do is been cleansed now. Okay, the transformation may be taking place in your life. You may be have healed already. Okay, the things whatever you have done till now, the bad and good, your sins are all washed away. Okay, your spirit is telling that your sins is all washed away. Divine is washing your sins, divine is cleansing your sins, and pushing you towards a new beginning, to a new world. Okay, to a rapid development of your life, rapid growth of your life. It may be both in love life and also in career and finance, guys. And if you have any health issues with the moon card, I can see you will get back to a good and positive vibe, and your vibration are going to be increased. So what spirit wants to guide you? Spirit wants to guide you that whatever you are doing is right, but sit calmly, patiently, think about it, then take a decision. Spirit wants to give you this message, and Spirit is also telling you that you are going to get new and best opportunities, and go and grab it, but you should see all the pros and cons of that and take decisions. And finally, I'll see some of the triangular messages. Okay, I'll see some triangular messages for you guys. First one, irreplaceable. See, Spirit is telling that you are irreplaceable. You have so much of knowledge, you have so much of creativity. You can go and find it, go away. Next is go away. The Spirit is telling that you are in this addiction or bad energy now, with negative, some negative energy, you're stuck in that negative energy. Come out of that and go away from that. Your spirit is guiding you guys. Third party, if you are in relationship, there is definitely a third party. I can also see you that someone is dominating you guys. Okay, third party situation is there. And responsibilities, see, you are having lot of responsibility of your home, your career, your whatever it is. Think about your responsibility. Your spirit is guiding to you. Enemy, fight with your enemy or move on. Okay, some enemies are there, third parties, the enemies there. I told no negative energy. The both the messages are telling you that some negative energy is there, and they might only be dominating you guys. Okay, dreams, see, I told no, you are getting opportunity, you want to fly high. Divine blessings, you are having blessings of having the blessings of divine is saving you from the negative energy, but you are not coming out of your addiction, your negative energy, but and you are not able to see those blessings which spirit is giving you, or which spirit is giving you the guidance intuitively. Those guidance you are not able to see due to this negative energy. You are stuck in that negative energy for some, not for all. Take it as it resonates to you. Earth sign, you might be earth sign. Health, I told no, some health issues. Maybe if it is there, then you'll get out of that vibe. There is sun card here. Okay, fight, I told no, you need to fight with your negative energy and come back to your what do you call, positive vibration, positive energy. How can you come back? You can do meditation, you can do some dance, singing, whichever you think is good, and those are very high vibrations, guys. You can do that so that you can come out of all those negative energy. You can do exercises, that also helps you. These messages your spirit wanted to guide you guys. If you like this video, pile number 1 who has chosen this ring, if it has resonated with you, please let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality, guys. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in my next video. Pile number 2 who has chosen this beautiful red color heart, we shall know what does your spirit wants to guide you. I have shuffled your cards with 3 different deck, guys. This is triangular messages, handmade messages. We shall see that at the end. First one, 4 of Pentacles, this star, Knight of Swords, Judgment is your bottom of the deck, the Hangman, 4 of Spades, 13 of Spades, Astronomer, 1 of Star, and 13 of Moon, Prophetess. Okay, and we have here 3 Sai Baba cards, oracle cards. We shall see it later. Okay, guys, I have arranged your cards and kept quickly. I'll tell you, the people who has chosen this pile 2 are in a rushing energy, are in a great higher energy. Okay, You are such a kind and generous people. With the cards, I can tell you. You are kind, generous, loyal, and successful people. You are bold, and if you are a woman, you are very kind-hearted and nurturing person. And if you are a friend, then you are a loyal friend. If you are a girlfriend, then you are also loyal. You are not a flirty person, okay? You're very emotional. You're all those humanity traits you people are having, okay? Kindness, helping others, such things. You are very overwhelming, okay? In this energy you are, either you are like this only, okay? With your Nostradamus tarot card, I told you that. With your Rider-Waite tarot deck, there is Four of Pentacles. You are thinking of saving. You are very intelligent. Some people may also be having of reading books, good books, novels, or some other personal financial books, and you are working hard on you for your betterment. Okay, for your betterment, to make your career good or to improve yourself for your rapid development or your self growth. You are in a self love energy, guys, and you believe in divine blessings, you believe in angels, okay? You believe in those superstitions, things, and also you are running towards that. You are running towards the things which are most attracting you. You are running towards your self development. You are not listening to anyone. You are doing things which you think is most important to you, which you think is most relevant and correct to you. You are going to that energy, and you are running to that phase, okay? And you are in very right path, and you are not listening to any others now, okay? And you are waiting for your results to come, and results will come positively, guys, because you are having divine blessings here. You are having judgment career. You are waiting for your results. You are waiting for your hard works to come true, okay? And you are starting a new beginning. You want to come out of all the sorrows and aggressions, okay? The ideas, the plans which you have, which you have made, and the sacrifices, the acceptance which you have done, you are going to get good results for that. And the way your passion is, the way you are going, you are rushing, and the way you are working on yourself is very good. The spirit is loving those things, okay? And your spirit is guiding you that I'm there with you, don't worry, okay? And hangman, see, there is hangman here. Some transformation is going inside you, some sacrifices you're doing. Intuition, your initiation is good now. Nowadays you're taking initiations. Nowadays you are taking actions for your plans. Not only doing or making plans, you're taking actions also. Sometimes you feel that nothing is working for me, and you think you're in a sorrow thing, or you're very bad, or you're very sad. You think like that, but no, divine is there to help you and to guide you. Divine is telling that I'm there with you, don't worry, okay? People who has chosen this heart, let us see. See, with the Sai Baba Oracle deck, Sai Baba is telling that, or else you can take as it resonates to you, uh, whichever God you follow, you can take it like that. Your spirit is guiding you that don't judge people, or don't misunderstand others. Don't doubt on others' actions. Don't doubt other people, okay? That message your spirits wants to give. So Atma ka safar, that means this is not the truth. The 3D word itself is not the truth. You have everybody knows that there will be body, then soul, then spirit, okay? Your spirit is guiding you that this is not the journey. This is only the journey of the body. This body's journey is only until we are alive, When we die, where does the soul goes? Okay, the soul gets another body, it lives in another way. It is not only the journey of our body, it's the journey of our soul. We need our soul to complete our journey. It is not only about having a car, having a house, having a family, having a relationship. No, our soul journey is very vast and a great journey from this. And your spirit is guiding you to come out of this 3D world and to focus on the divine. Okay, to go on that path. Okay, Siksha. With this card, your spirit is telling that gain more knowledge. Yes, you are gaining the knowledge very much, yet your spirit is also telling you to gain more knowledge of all about what you are planning to do, and also about divine. Okay, your spirit wants you to know about him. Your spirit wants you to guide that you should take more knowledge, read books and study hard. You are going to get a justice for your hard work, and believe in God. Don't doubt anyone, don't doubt even divine. Now we shall see some handmade triangular messages from the guidance which your divine or which your spirits wants to give you. First one is prayers. Just now I told you that you need to have trust on God. You need to have trust on your spirit. Your spirit wants to give you message that do prayers, do meditation. Okay, your spirit is guiding you to do attractive. Your spirit is telling you are very attractive. Go ahead and execute your plan. Take actions. Of course, you are taking actions. Bad behavior. Bad behavior. This message has come. Why? Because you are not listening to anybody. You are rushing to whatever you're doubting on others, whether if I hear to them, to their opinions, then my action may cut, or I may not get good result. You are thinking in that way, or it might be some other thing. You know that better, what bad behavior you are having, and your spirit wants you to come out of that bad behavior. Okay, same caste. If you are in a relationship, then you may be a same caste. Okay, no trust. See, again you're doubting, you have no trust on divine. No, why you people doubt, man? Okay, let's end all this negativity, all this no trust issues, or the things which are not hearing of others. Are Even if you are in a relationship, then also you are not trusting your partner, you are not trusting your spirit guidance, like that. Karmic, next card is karmic. You might be dealing with the karmic. I told you some negativity is there. See, again the message is knowledge. See, here also it was acquire more knowledge. Yes, you are acquiring now, but still you want to acquire more knowledge. Your spirit is guiding you that outing, go out. Go out, do dance, or hang out with your friends. I know in this time it's very difficult, yet you can chill at your home only. Don't be like, oh my god, nothing is there in my life, what should I do? Everything is there, don't worry. I told you, are very loyal, good, generous, and kind-hearted person. Your spirit is also telling you that you are very good girl or a boy. You are very good person, and have patience. See, I can see you with the Knight of Swords. You people are not having patience. So your spirit is guiding you to have patience, acquire knowledge, take actions, and leave it to divine, and he will take rest of the responsibilities for your results, for your hard work, and he will give you a positive results. Okay, this was it. Pile number 2, who has chosen this beautiful red color heart. Your spirit wanted to give these many messages for you. If it has resonated with you, don't forget that it's a general reading. It may not be resonate with all of you. If it does, then let me know. It has resonated with you, let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. Pile number 3, who has chosen this beautiful gift box. We shall see what does your spirit wants to guide you. Okay. I have already shuffled your cards and kept it aside. I have shuffled your cards with three different decks this time. The Nostradamus Tarot deck, Redaway Tarot deck and Sai Baba Oracle decks. Okay. Jivan Ki Pustak and Grihana. Okay. These triangular messages we will see at last. Okay. Those are handmade cards. Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups in reverse, Five of Pentacles, the Moon, the Magician, One of Sun, Death, Alchemist, the Chariot. So, three major arcana cards in a single reading. Nice. Guys, I can clearly see you that someone has cheated you, someone has left you. Okay? Someone has cheated you and someone has left you. Okay, no problem. And for some, I can tell that the person who with whom you are in a relationship are coming and going in and out situation. It is with the moon card. There is no hope, only confusion. You're also having confusion with the particular person, and they are also having confusion with you to be relationship with you or not. Okay, or in some case, for some people, someone has cheated you because they were having lot of opportunities, a lot of choices, different persons, and they were attracting to all those good faces, and they were leaving you. They were going to that side, and with the Eight of Cups, I can tell you that someone has already cheated you and left you, or you have come leaving them, or you might have cheated them. Anything can happen. Okay? You know that better, take it as it resonates to you. With the Five of Pentacles, also I can see that someone has cheated you. Deceit cards are come here, and for some people it might be a financial loss, or some people it might be someone who has promised you and not did that work which they've promised you before and left you. With the moon, for some it might be health issues, for some it might be um, bad relationship, confusion, having no hope, like that. Keep hope, keep hope, don't leave. Why? Because there is Magician card here. Okay, with the Magician card, all these struggles of your relationship will go. Okay, your spirit is guiding you that I'm there with you to make you come back in your life and take actions like before, and come back in your life like before and be happy. Okay, your spirit wants to give you these messages for you. And also your spirit is telling you with the Death card, something has ended. Some negativity was there before, and now it is not there. Something has ended, some new rebirth is taking place, some creativity, some initiation you're taking, and some transformation is going on, guys. Good transformation is going on here. New direction. Your spirit is telling that you are getting new direction. You are getting come. You are coming out of all those illusions. Okay. And this is the journey. This is the movement, and you need to be emotionally controlled. You need to control your emotional side, and this is the movement card, this is the journey card. Okay, conflicts, if you have any conflicts with your partner, with your spouse, with your colleagues, or whatever it is, don't do conflicts. Come out of that trouble which is troubling you, and This is harnessing of emotional and will. Okay, don't be so emotional person. Okay, I can see you that you are very hurt inside. You should get your creativity side outside. Do something new, do something challenging, do something which makes you happy, which keeps you happy. Do meditation and start enterprise, or you can have a good day with your friends, and don't lose your hopes. You are very adventurous person. You're having good experience of life. What you have done in your past, you know that, and you have learned lessons, beautiful lessons you have learned. It might be good or bad, but yes, you are having those experiences. You have learned those lessons. And be generous, okay? Your spirit is telling that I'm there with you. Don't lose hopes. Yet you're having faith. Yet you're having hope on God, but you're not having hope on your person or your financial background. Whatever it takes as it resonates to you. Don't forget, it's a general reading. It may not be resonate with all of you. It might be a twin flame. Um, Pile, it might be on a twin journey, for not for all, only for few, I'm telling. And your spirit is also telling you that these are all the life lessons. This is like a new chapter of your life, guys. There will be a number of chapters in our life, and this is one of them. Your spirit is telling to you that all the sorrowness will be there to until one extent, and you will get back to your positive energy again. Your spirit is guiding that. And don't lose your hopes and faith on me, your spirit is telling. And do more meditation, read books of divine, okay? Do visualization. I don't know why it has coming. Do visualization, or do um, attract all those positive things. Then only positive energy attracts us. Okay, be in a positive, wear good clothes, wear, I'm not saying go do shopping and wear, no, a better one. And if you have any hobbies like painting, drawings, do that. Your spirit is telling you to do that. Don't be in this energy anymore. I'm there with you, and you will come out of the situation. One time will come that for whom you people are waiting now will be waiting for you in future. This time will come your, and it will be in the divine time. If you are in a twin flame journey, then union will be in the divine time only. Why? Because there is a magician card, okay? And divine is also telling you that listen your intuition, okay? Listen your intuition. And divine is telling you that if you have any doubts on anything, it might be anything, on doubts on the person, doubts on any words spoken by anyone, then don't believe those words. Your spirit is guiding you like that. Don't believe on those things which you have doubt on, and take decision intuitively. Okay, these all messages are given by your spirits, and we shall see now the triangular handmade messages, what your spirits wants to guide you now. Okay, for the people who has chosen this beautiful gift card, pile number 3. First one, water sign. Some people might be water sign, Pisces, Scorpion, and Cancer. And next is caste issues. You might be other caste, you and your partner may be of different caste. Okay, it doesn't resonate for all of you. Caring. Your divine is telling you caring. You are a very caring person, you are a very generous person, and divine is taking care of you. Irresponsible. See, you are acting like irresponsible person. Maybe Your spirit is guiding you. Don't be like irresponsible person. Okay, cherish. You need to cherish, you need to grow. I don't know, you need to do dancing, singing, painting, whatever is creativity side you are having, do that. Cherish, be happy. Husband and wife, see, I don't know, one time will come, everything will be good. Union will happen. You might be getting a new partner, a new person in your life, or you might get your old one back. Okay, husband, wife, definitely new beginning. See, new beginning, transformation is going on, guys. Believe me. See, again, spirit is telling you, believe me, have belief, don't lose faith, don't lose hope. Spirit is telling you tension. You are in tension. Yes, I can see that. Moon card is there, so much card is there. Yet I can tell you that you are also having opportunities. You are not also not less. You are also having choices. Go for it then. If you're not getting to see your opportunities or the different ways you're having, sit down calmly, coolly, to meditation. You can get to know. Letting go, let it go, let it be. Your divine is guiding to you. Go back to a good energy. Okay. Adorable. You are a very adorable person. Your divine is telling you. Honest, be nurturing. Then only, see, whatever law of attraction, whatever we give, that we will get back. Okay, that's why be happy, spread love, you get love. Laughing, see, laugh, be happy, to create your work, do the things which makes you happy. Okay. Okay, guys, don't be in this energy. Come to this energy. Okay, let it go. Your past, let it go. Move on. If you are move on, it's well and good. I can see that some people are also moving on. You're taking actions with the chariot card, I can tell. And to the person, to all those buddies who has chosen this beautiful gift box, this was your reading. If you like this reading, let me know. If it has resonated to you, let me know. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality.